Are you scared of drawing your brows because you don't know how to fill it in or you don't know the right product to use? Well, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 2 ways to easily fill in your brows. As you can see, my brows are already shaped. I have a video on that. I'll link that in the description box. For my right brow, I'm going to use the pen method, and for my left brow, I'm going to use the pencil method. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some tips I've learned over the years on how to easily fill in your brows. Also guys, when I recorded this video, my voice wasn't good, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. So the first thing we're going to do is to brush our hair upward, and I'll be using my spoolie to do that. Then we're going to take our eyelash glue. Yes, I said eyelash glue. This is the only product that works for my brows, but by all means you can go ahead and use the soap method. You can use the got2b glue method. You can also use brow freeze, but the one I know is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze, but I'm yet to try that one out. This, I get no irritation from this one. I don't lose my brow hairs, so this is the one that works for me. It keeps my brows in place all day until I decide to remove it myself. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is I'm going to use my pen, my brow pen, and the one I'm using is a NYX Lift and Snatch brow tinted brow pen in the shade Espresso. Now you can see that I have a few sparse areas on my brows, and that is what I'll be using this pen to do. I'm just going to use it to just cover those sparse areas, and I love this pen because it gives me that natural hair-like strokes. If you are a beginner or if you have shaky hands, I would advise you to put your pinky finger on your cheek, using it just to stabilize your hands. This gives your hands the control. It removes that much stress from you and just let your hand do the job basically. Another thing to know, especially if you're a beginner, is when buying an eyebrow pen or pencil, make sure that it is the same color or shade as your natural brows. So if your brow hairs are short as mine, especially in the front, I would suggest you go in with your brow pen, just mimicking the same short hair as that of your natural brows. Then for the other brow, we're going to be using the pencil method, and the first thing I'm going to do is to brush my hair again using the spoolie, and I'm going to be using the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Chocolate. The same thing we did for the other brow. Make sure your pinky finger is seated properly on your skin, and then you go in to fill in your lower brows. And as you can see, that's what we are doing. We are just creating that same line, following our natural brow line. So taking my spoolie, I'll brush my hair downward so that I can see the outline of my top brow, and I'm going with my brow pencil to fill that all in or outline my brow, following the natural outline of my brow all the way down to the end. Another tip I have for you is that when you are outlining your brows, don't start from the very beginning. Give a little bit of space for a more natural looking brow and more natural effect. Now I'm going to go ahead and start filling in my brows all the way from the end. I don't want to see any sparse areas, and I'm going to stop halfway. So I'm going to take my eyelash glue and apply it on my eyebrows again, and that is because I've noticed that if I apply it first and then fill in my brows, especially when I'm using the pencil method, it doesn't stick very well to my brows. Like, it looks very shabby. So I prefer to fill it in and then layer it with my eyelash glue, and everything just sticks and stays put. So next I'm going to go in with my concealer just to clean up the lower part of my brow, and to be doing that I'll be using an angled concealer brush. So guys, this was where I realized that my camera stopped recording and I didn't notice until I was done applying my concealer. So guys, this is the final result. These are the 2 ways you can easily fill your brows. Let me know if you have any question down in the comment section, and also let me know which one you would try. Give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.